friends! Welcome back to DinoQuiz. Are you ready to guess the names of the Italian brainrots today? Here are the rules. You will have a total of 7 seconds to guess. You must choose only one answer. Have time to guess and wait for the correct answer. Don't forget to subscribe to DinoQuiz, and let's get started. And this is the Cappuccino Assassino.
Cappuccino Assassino! Assassini!
This is La Vacca Saturno Saturnita.
La vacca Saturno Saturnita. Saturn.
Of course it is Tun Tun Tung Sahur.
Tung 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 sahur. Anomali.
This is Matteo.
Matteo.
This is Glorblo Fritto Drillo.
No.
Tralalero Trulicina.
Trulimero Trulicina. Il pritiletin in piscina.
This is the legendary shark Tralalero Tralala.
Tralalero tralala. Porco.
That's right, it's a Bombardiro Crocodilo.
Bombardiro crocodilo. Un fottuto alligatore volante.
This is the Burr Bicus Dicus.
Bri bicus dicus debicus dedicus. Scappare.
Yes, this is Bobrito Bandito.
Oi. Bobrito bondito? El bobrito gangsterito.
Correct answer. Ta sahur.
Ta. Sahur. Ada kejadian.
Yes, it's Balerina Cappuccina.
Balerina cappuccina. Mi.
Wow, it's Trippy Troppa.
Trippi troppi. Troppa trippa. Tre topi trotterellano.
Share your results in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you later.